This probably ain't your mama's chicken spaghetti. After I received this text from a friend, I thought I should probably share it with the rest of you guys. Instead of using rotisserie chicken, we use chicken thighs. Coat with oil and sprinkle with some sweet heat. Then sear but don't cook thoroughly. Season your water and boil until al dente. Save 2 to 3 cups of pasta water. Make your homemade cream of mushroom with butter, mushrooms, onion, flour. You can even use gluten-free.
Oh my god! That's not even fair, because if we lose, then I can't go to another football game this year.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
Minced garlic, salt, milk, and chicken broth. 1 cup of pasta water, and of course a little bit of liquid gold. Melt until it looks like this. The hardest part of this recipe is stirring it all together. At 350 degrees, we're going to cook this for 45 minutes covered. Then uncover and add a little shredded cheese and broil on high, and voila!